Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on surface area. The total surface area of any given 3D object or solid is the sum of all the areas of the individual faces that make up that 3D object or solid. Let's have a look at some examples. Firstly, we have the cube. Now here is the cube here. It has 6 faces and they're all exactly the same, so the lengths are the same. So the area of one face is s squared, s times s. That's the area of one face. So the surface area of the entire cube would be 6x s squared square units. And we remember that area is always in square units. So if those measurements are in centimetres, then it would be square centimetres. If the measurements are in metres, it would be square metres, etc. Here we have a rectangular prism. We have L here, D there, and H there. So the surface area will be 2HL, so that's HL, and the side at the back, right at the back there behind, that's also HL, so that gives us 2HL. We have plus 2DH, so that's DH here, and also the side there that we can't see, so that gives us 2DH, and 2LD, that'll be the top side here, and the one underneath, the base. So we add those together, and that gives us the surface area, and we're talking about square units. The triangular prism. So the surface area of the triangular prism is the surface area of this triangle plus the surface area of that triangle, so that's part of it. So it'll be half AB, half base times height, but you have to multiply that by 2 because there are 2 triangles. And then we have BL, which is that face there at the back. We have CL, which is this slope here. And then we have AL, which is the base. So when you add all those together, that gives us the surface area in square units. The cube. Now here are the examples. Okay, so we've done the 3 solids, if you like. Now we'll look at some simple examples. So if the side of the cube is 8 centimetres, the surface area of one face is 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres, which is 64 square centimetres. So the surface area of the cube will be 6 times that, as we saw in the previous slide. So the surface area of the cube is 384 square centimetres. For the rectangular prism, these are the measurements. So the surface area will be 2 9 centimetres times 3 centimetres, so that's the bottom and the top. 2 9 times 4 centimetres, 9 centimetres times 4 centimetres, front and back, so there's 2 of those. And 2 4 centimetres by 3 centimetres, that side and that one. So when we work that part out there, that gives us 54 centimetres squared. This part here, 9 4s are 36, 2 times 36 is 72 centimetres squared, and 4 3s are 12, 2 12s are 24 centimetres squared. When we add those 3 up, we get 150 square centimetres, which is the area of the rectangular prism. For the triangular prism, the surface area will be the area of that triangle plus the area of that triangle, so that's this part. Half times 12 times 9, but we multiply that by 2. That's the area of one of the triangles. We multiply it by 2 because there are 2 triangles. So that's that part. Then the next part will be 15 centimetres times 11 centimetres. That's slopey section. 12 centimetres times 11 centimetres, the base, and 9 centimetres times 11 centimetres will be the face of the back. So, this part here, all that part there, that's the two triangles together, will be 108 square centimetres. This part here will be 165 square centimetres. That part is 132 square centimetres, and that's 99 square centimetres. When we add all those up together, we get 504 square centimetres as the surface area of the triangular prism. So this video has introduced us to the idea of surface area, where we've looked at a cube, a rectangular prism, a triangular prism. We've seen the formula for calculating each of those surface areas, and we've done an example on each of those solids.